I do want to talk about prop bets because they were defined in the indictment, and I want to talk about what these pitchers allegedly did according to prosecutors. According to prosecutors, the scheme was that they tipped the bettors off on the type of pitches they were throwing as well as the speed of the pitch, and then the bets were rigged. Those bets were prop bets, and they were described in the indictment as this, quote, bets placed on an individual player's performance during a game rather than on the final outcome of the game. Does that make a difference here? Because the pitchers allegedly were rigging a pitch and not saying, hey, we're going to throw an entire game. Because of that, do you think there's more leniency?
I'm doubtful that there would be necessarily be leniency just because the outcome of the game wasn't affected. The real issue here is whether or not these individuals were conspiring with bettors to change the outcome of certain aspects of the game, right? Baseball is uniquely, I would say, uniquely vulnerable to this type of prop bet because there are so many things in the game of baseball that can be controlled by an individual player, like pitching, as you just described, right? If there's you choose to throw a ball instead of a strike, or you choose to throw the pitch into the dirt. If somebody on the other side is betting that you will do that, that's a really very straightforward way to win a bet. If these allegations are true, I wouldn't expect that there would be leniency in this case just because it didn't necessarily affect the outcome of the game. In fact, I think in one of the cases that were highlighted in the indictment, the Guardians actually won the game, wherein the pitcher was allegedly conspiring with bettors to throw certain pitches.
I do